Hey guys, welcome to the Mason and Me YouTube channel. I just wanted to make a video about how I make pork belly, fried pork belly to be specific. I make it in one of two ways, the air fryer or on the grill. I prefer the air fryer, but I'll show you guys both ways. I like my pork belly extra crispy. We have pork belly like once a week because I just love it so much. Yeah, so I'll get to it. What you see here is 1 pound of pork belly from Whole Foods. We normally get our pork belly at the Asian market, aka HMART, but the quality is just so much better. This is typically how thick they make their slices. This is the one thing I don't like about getting it at Whole Foods. I do like the thinner slice at HMART. And they do not keep the pork belly out with the other meats. This is something that you have to ask the butcher for specifically, but they're really nice and usually they work with you, and you can even ask them how thick you want it, but in this case this was as thin as they could go. This is the grill I use. We ordered it on Amazon. You also have to order the butane fuel, and this is my Ninja air fryer. The air fryer I believe is 4 quarts. And this is just how you install the butane, and you have to make sure you put a bowl to catch the oil or else you're going to end up with a huge mess. You don't normally need to preheat when using the air fryer, but since the pork is so thick, I just decided to preheat for 2 minutes as well as preheating the grill. Now that they're ready, you want to make sure you just put the pork belly in like an even layer. If it's even overlapping, it kind of messes up with the airflow and it doesn't cook correctly. I'm not sure how the science is on that. And then I cook it for 4 minutes before I flip it. You can definitely cook more using the grill because the air fryer only fits so much. Once the oil starts flowing, it starts to splatter everywhere. That's why my sleeve is covering my hand, because it hurts. Once the 5 minutes is up, you flip everything and it doesn't look cooked, but trust me, another 5 minutes and it'll be super crispy. I just want to point out the oil. You also want to make sure it doesn't start to overflow. I promise it's not burnt either. This is just how I like it, and I'm just really iffy about my pork and making sure it's super well done, especially since I'm feeding my toddler. Look at all that oil left over. Since there's under 2 minutes left, I'm just gonna make a quick sauce with the pink Himalayan salt and sesame oil. I'm also gonna make a side of kimchi for my husband and put this aside. And there's a little spot of oil where the bowl missed. And here goes the air fryer pork belly. Some notable differences I can tell you is the grilled pork belly is definitely more chewy, while the air fryer one is more crunchy. If you like that texture, it's definitely what I love about it. Now that the meat's done, I'm microwaving 1 bowl of rice for each of us, and yes, I said microwave. Our rice cooker still has 11 minutes and we're both really hungry, so that's why we're using the microwavable rice. So here's the dinner and a side-by-side comparison. On the left is air fried, on the right is made on the grill. Ready to eat, Mason?
Eat.
Yeah, eat. Okay.